What about not the best smartphone, but what about the worst? Because it's important to also know what to avoid so that you don't end up being one of the unlucky people ending up with a piece of garbage. And I think that might be what we have here today. I could be wrong. Maybe I'm gonna have an experience that's unexpected, but this in front of me is the worst reviewed, lowest rated smartphone on Amazon. It has 1.5 stars. There's 19 reviews, all terrible, all telling me this thing has bloatware, viruses. People do not like this smartphone, and it has ruined their lives to varying degrees. It's from a company called V-Mobile. Now, it's cheap. It's 74 bucks. 74% of the reviews are 1 star. It's lost the money. Don't do it. Phone locks up every time I try to use it. Slow, it glitches. If it gets below 6%, the whole thing freezes. It doesn't take a charge. I lost my $70. It sucks, terrible, super slow, doesn't work. This is a piece of garbage. It worked for a month. Never buy this. Then this one guy, 4 stars, it's solid. It's built solid. It must have been Jack. He's like, I don't know if it's gonna ever make a phone call. I have all the viruses in the world, but it's built solid, so 4 stars. It sounds terrible. What better way to find out than to crack this baby open and get the truth for ourselves? It is the N8-N from V-Mobile. You know what? It doesn't feel that bad. I am very skeptical of that Zeiss logo at the moment. Give you a screen protector, okay. A headset is included in the package and a micro USB cable. This ain't winning any points for screen to body ratio. Pretty basic looking device. You can see a little bit of branding there. It charges from the top. Can't say I bumped into this, I don't think ever. It ships with the battery protected. Oh man, so weird. Bonus points for the dual SIM setup and the expandable storage. How about that? Oh, there we go. No setup. That's always freaky, right? When it comes pre-set up. Like, who set it up? Now, first things first, the screen itself is like gritty. In terms of bloatware, there's actually not a ton of it. I'm seeing there's a backup, an FM radio, a weird settings icon, but at least at first glance, not a ton of bloat pre-installed. Actually, that looks okay right now. Could this be a gem, Jack? A $75 gem? Are all these people wrong? Is the internet wrong? Is Amazon wrong? I'm gonna turn off this HDR and try a stock one. I mean, obviously, like, it's all blown out. There's bad dynamic range going on. What about on the selfie front? It's not terrible. Usable for 75 bucks, that's for certain. What about the speakers? That's interesting. I just typed YouTube and it was an unbox therapy video.
That happens. Trainers.
That's crazy how there's not much saturation on the image at all.
What is this? This is Ultimate Warrior.
Speaker's not good, but it's pretty loud. How do you multitask on this thing? This button doesn't do it. That's just to add more screens, this button. What have they done to this skin? There is no multitask, you just have to go back. Now, people said the trouble comes when they try to make a phone call, so I should probably throw the SIM in here. Is this a bad idea? All right, you ready, Will? Give me a ring, dude. Hello? I mean, it works as a phone, ladies and gentlemen. Would Dave 2D be impressed by this smartphone? Can he play Overwatch on it? Winner of the Spyware Classic tournament. You know what? This phone call is fine. The camera's better than I expected. The sound is better than I expected. The video quality is better than I expected. I mean, I thought this was a complete piece of garbage. I mean, the guy in the review said garbage. What can we really say? In our case, the thing is working. Like, it's doing what it should do. Will, come on. Will, get in here. Get over here, Will. Oh, it just died. Are we rolling? Yeah. It just died. 70% battery, it just died. I was about to say it's half decent, and they were all crazy and wrong. Look at that, it's rebooting now. I was about to be like, well, you know, 76% battery. I was about to be like, yeah, how about that noise? Here you go. I got you a new phone. I got you a new phone. Never mind that Pixel of yours.
I can just throw it away. I don't mind it.
What?
It is running Android.
But it shut down. Imagine that was your real phone.
Yeah, that would be the one part that's pretty annoying.
Should we use this for a while? You should be on this for a week.
No,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a virus. It's gonna haunt my life.
It died again.
Yeah, you can't have that.
It died
I can't.
again. Okay, we figured this thing out. This is garbage. This is the worst smartphone on Amazon for good reason. Like, we just ordered one just like any other human would, and it definitely just shuts down on its own.
Yeah, 5 minutes within shooting.
That's twice now. Well, I guess at least we've warned people, because it is still a product listed on Amazon. Will it boot back up? Without me. It will boot back up. It just turns off. Okay, hot garbage. There you go. I think it's just as important to know which products to avoid as it is to know which ones to get.
Absolutely.
You see what I'm doing there? Ah! Every time. Okay, don't do this to yourself. Avoid at all costs. Stay away. It could get worse. It probably would if you actually own... Ah!